Hello, my name is Matthew Joyce. I was one of the developers of Layman's Law, the app that is entering the Apps for Gaps competition 2018. It was developed alongside Eiffe and Jiawen McCabe. So, diving into this very original and new law app, we have 6 different types of laws. We have the courts, the amendments to the Constitution, road laws, housing laws, family law, and employment law. We also have a contact page, a corrections page, and an about page. Let's start off by looking at the About page, basically just telling you about the app itself, telling you what is in the app, and also saying if you have any suggestions what to do, and also if you have any corrections what to do too. There is also a drop-down menu on the top left, which will show you the 6 different types of laws, along with, of course, the contact page, the correction page, and the About page. Let's give you one example of one type of law, road laws, which is one that I developed myself. It basically gives you an insight into the penalty point system with different offences that you can commit and how many penalty points you will get based on it. For example, using a vehicle with dodgy tyres will give you 2 penalty points on payment of fine and 4 penalty points on conviction. To find out the fines, then scroll down to the next chart and find the same offence using a vehicle with dodgy tyres. You'll have to pay €80 to be paid within 28 days and 120 to be paid if it is late. Let's also go to the corrections page, which is basically a form page. If it'll load, you will basically see you'll get a drop-down menu asking you where you want the correction to be seen. For example, Constitution, let's say, regarding whatever it is. If it's something to do with an amendment in the Constitution, you tell us what it is. And then give yourself an email address, so then we can tell you when this correction is put into the app. Let's look at another type of law, employment law. So basically it is telling you about the Employment Protection Development 1993 to 2016, giving you a summary of the legislation that was introduced in this period concerning employment protection. It's a very long list, and you can click one and it'll bring you directly to a link to give you more details on that certain act. Let's have a look at the contact page. We don't really have that fully developed because we don't exactly have an address, we don't have a phone number, and we don't have a website. The only thing we have is an email, laymanslawcdl@gmail.com. We feel this app was very well developed, and we hope that you think it too. Thanks very much for watching. I'm Matthew Joyce. This is Layman's Law, developed by Eiffe and Jiawen McCabe, and I, Matthew Joyce, from Colossus Lacey.